If your applications are failing to open on your iPhone for some reason, when you tap on it, nothing happens, but you can open other things like settings and so on. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if your applications or apps won't open. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Sometimes your applications are not opening no matter what you're touching on iPhone. Now you are being able to go ahead and then basically you're trying to open up settings and so on, but it's just the apps that won't open. Sometimes if it's only a certain app, only that app could be having the issue. It could be a faulty app or it might have an update, so you want to check those are the cases. The second is you can try to open up settings, go to general, go to software update, check if your iPhone has any sort of update available, and that should most likely help you solve the problem. You also want to make sure that you have got plenty of storage left, because if you're also running out of storage and out of space on your iPhone, you won't be able to launch the applications. If it's some of the application requires internet, so you want to make sure that your internet is also working just fine. If none of these work and the issue still persists, go to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset and reset all settings. So what this will do is this will also try to reset all settings. Only if this is also not working, then the only last liable solution I have for you is to completely erase your iPhone by tapping on the erase button and just making sure to erase everything and starting from the very beginning. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.